Okay, what do we have here?
This is Hawaiian kapa, which is the bark cloth used in Hawaii. It is similar to the bark cloth that's beaten across the South Pacific called tapa. It uses the same plant, the paper mulberry. We call it bouquet. And what is done is the outer bark is scraped off and the inner white bast or fiber is used to beat into yards and yards and yards of seamless fabric or bark cloth. The Hawaiian kapa is different than the kapa throughout the South Pacific in that it's watermarked. By that I mean you can see a pattern that's beaten into it in the final beating, which leaves an impression, or as you hold it up to the light you can see through it and see a pattern. That's what makes it a distinctively Hawaiian product. In addition, bamboo then is carved to create little stamps called ohe kapala, and those are used with natural dyes from the turmeric, berries called uki, soil, alaya, or other products. Dyes are made with those. They're painted onto the ohe kapala, and then the ohe kapala is used as a stamp to impress a surface design on the kapa. So you literally have a printed design on top of a beaten design. Also, the dyes are used for coloring and for beautiful adornment.